dapat mong malaman, mga katanungan na dapat mong matuklasan. Nandito si Mommy Ray, makisaya at makipagkwentuhan. Kaya tara na, tara na, makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray. Makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray, kay Mommy Ray.
Hello po, magandang gabi, and it's a Monday night again at maraming salamat for joining us tonight sa Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Magandang chikahan po tayo tong gabing to, exciting po at magandang pag-usapan itong ang buhay ng aking guest. But before anything else, 17 days before Christmas na lang at sana nafe-feel nyo na yung real season, yung real meaning ng Christmas natin. But before anything else, bago tayo magsimula ng ating chikahan, I just want to say thank you to our sponsors. I want to say thank you to SNA Aesthetic. They have 2 branches in Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong, and also in NS Amoranto, Quezon City, with a phone number of 0929-275-1014 and 0906-208-8183. And they're always open daily at 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Just call and inquire. Sila po ang nag-aalaga ng aming skin. For you, if you want to have a glowing and younger skin, just call Hesenea Aesthetic. Plus, we have a new sponsor, of course, Pampers City by OMG. This is a aesthetic and wellness center. Your luxury escape, the first and largest Pampers center in the Philippines. They're located in 107 K1 Center by Prestige in Asiana City, Parañaque City, with a phone number of 0945-203-9888. Lahat po ng kailangan nyo for, if you want to have a pamper day from head to toe, just go to Pampers City. Yan po. And also, sila din ang nag-aalaga for sa mami nyo to look young. Ang aking Pampers City family, maraming salamat po. And, of course, make it a habit every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Siyempre, may live po kami. Of course, every Monday, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. And our podcast, Up, Top, Down, Low, with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Deon. And our coffee chat with Daven, also every Friday at 7 p.m. At mapapanood nyo lahat yan, of course, dito sa amin, Ignos Novos Artist Management Facebook page na pareho ng Instagram namin. And of course, we have a TikTok account is at ignisnovos.official. Plus, please don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe our mother channel. Of course, yung aming Facebook and Instagram, the same, First Son Production. And of course, our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives, na which lahat po ng live namin mapapanood nyo sa aming YouTube channel na First Son Creatives, and also yung aming mga Way Back Wednesday and some of our events, theater shows, na mga clippings behind the scene. You can watch in our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives. Ayan. Ang dami, di ba, bago ako magsimula. But, of course, ang aking special guest, eto, ang aking special guest po is an actor, but also a wrestler, Pinoy wrestler siya, a brand ambassador, and a commercial model. Ang aking guest po ay malapit na malapit sa aking puso. Mahal na mahal ko po to, kung alam nyo lang. Kahit ang mukha niya is so tough, but honestly, if you're gonna know this person, he has a soft heart. Yan. Of course, one of my anak-anakan, David Ravena. Ayan. Hi, Nak! Magandang
grabe.
gabi.
Maraming salamat, Nay. Thank you for having me in this discussion. Thank you also to Ignus Novus for having me. Sa lahat ng mga Ravinatics there at saka sumusuporta ng Philippine Wrestling, maraming salamat. At etong araw na to, 17 days before Christmas, I am here. Kahit na merong Monday rush, walang makapipigil. Mag-uusap kami ni Ma'am.
Yan. Maraming salamat. Nak, kamusta? Kamusta ka?
I'm doing good. There's yung feeling na dahan-dahang may mga butterflies sa
Yeah.
tummy ko. Not because of this discussion that we have, because it's always a pleasure talking to you, but what will happen this coming Sunday?
Yeah, I know.
Magkakaroon ng Fight Night 2. It's the show of World Underground Wrestling Philippines.
Yeah.
This is something that is very dear to my heart kasi it's been quite a while since
Okay.
nagkaroon kami ng show. And this is our way of ending the year with a bang.
Wow.
So enjoyin lang natin this Sunday, Brawl Pit Bulusan. This is a free open event, pay as you can event. Meron
Oh.
din kaming you can bring your beer, you can bring your friends, just have fun. Let's all enjoy Philippine wrestling together.
Yan. O sige, pag-uusapan pa natin ng masinsinan yung wrestling career mo. Pero gusto ko malaman, do you have a province ba?
Yeah, I grew up in Lapu-Lapu City, Philippines. Actually, hindi nga siya masabing grow up kasi parang nangyari is I was born there, maybe just a couple of weeks lang din. Ano na rin, lipad na kami towards Manila.
So ang Lapu-Lapu is in Cebu?
Yes.
Okay. So doon ka lang pinanganak and then after nun, lipad na kayo dito sa Manila. So you grew
Absolutely.
up here in Manila.
Yes, absolutely.
Saan dito sa Manila?
Ng ano po, Project for Quezon City.
Okay. So Malilenya ka.
Mhm.
But even though Manilenya ka, na-experience mo to play outside?
Of course.
Growing up?
Yes, isa yan sa mga core memories ko growing up.
Okay.
Kasi, kung naririnig mo to, share ko lang yung lagi mong sinasabi sa akin na aalis ako ng bahay, nakaputing sando ko. Pagbalik ko, medyo brownish na siya.
Yeah, okay.
Or yung tuhod ko, may mga galas na. Yes.
Pero yan yung best experience ng childhood eh, 'di ba? Yung parang, and then, also yung paglalaro sa labas, yan yung tumibay yung ating mga buto-buto.
Yes.
Diba?
Tama po.
Okay. Yan. Bago tayo mag-fast forward sa iyong buhay, mag-hi muna tayo. Mukhang madami ang nandyan sa ating comment section. Okay, Peter, magandang gabi. Good evening, Peter.
Hi, Peter.
Ayan. Okay, Charles Dion, red na red. Of course, it's Christmas, Charles, kaya naka-red si Mami. Ayan, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi, Charles, ang aming isang gwapong host sa podcast. Hi, Bebs. Good evening, Bebs. Hello. Valentine's feels super red. Hindi nga. Pasko nga. Kaya naka-red. Ayan. Kayo talaga.
Dapat ba nag-green ako today? Para,
Hindi na. Si Fiona. Hello, Fiona. Good evening. One of our actors in Monumento. Hello, Fiona. Magandang gabi. Ay, magandang gabi daw, sabi ni Bebs, our ang ating marketing manager yan, si Bebs. Magandang gabi daw, Sir Daven. And then si Lyra, ang layo ni Lyra, hi, magandang gabi, good evening. And of course, one of my anak-anakan, also si Cara. Good evening, Mommy Ray, and sa guest ko daw, good evening, Cara. And hi, Mami Catherine, good evening po, thank you for watching. Magandang gabi, Mami Cat. Yan. So, kung dito ka sa Manila, so dito ka na nag-elementary, high school, and college. So, anong tinapos in college?
Bachelor in Science in Computer Engineering.
Oh, computer engineering. Na-apply mo ba?
Yes, na-apply ko po.
Na-apply. No,
Yes.
kasi I know, nung nagkakilala tayo, you're working talaga.
Yes po.
So, until now, na-apply mo pa?
Yes po,
So,
na-apply
that's
ko pa rin.
good, no?
Yes.
So, eto na. Simulan muna natin dun sa pagiging, mahaba yung sa wrestling eh, mamaya.
Yes.
Yung pagiging actor mo, paano? Ano ba nauna? Actor, brand ambassador, o commercial model?
Actor po muna.
Oh, so,
Ayan.
kailan nagsimula yung pagiging actor mo?
Alright. I was actually invited to an audition.
Okay.
Ang naging kwento po kasi nito is si Sir Jigo. Hello, Sir Jigo. if
Okay.
you're
Si
watching.
Jigs naman talaga.
Yes.
Hi, Jigs.
Yes,
Okay.
Sir Jigo is a wrestling fan.
Mm-mm.
And then he told me, dude, you have the face, you have the character to do this.
Yeah, okay.
Wala namang mawawala.
Okay.
He watched me perform at a local wrestling show. Sabi niya sa akin, walang mamawala, punta ka dito sa
Yeah.
audition na to.
Yes.
And then come that audition, uy, parang ano pala, I'm versed pala dito.
Mm.
Okay, and then ang naging pananaw ko po kasi is kung ano yung na-adapt ko sa wrestling.
Yeah.
Let's become a sponge. Let's learn everything.
Okay.
Kaya very thankful din ako sa T-Bon because they were the ones that gave me the head start. They were the ones that believed in me.
Okay.
Yung mga directors doon, yung prod team nila,
Yeah.
as in talagang ginabayan nila ako. It's also the place wherein I met you.
Yes.
Kung hindi nyo po maitatanong, si Mami Ray ang laging taga-salo ng galit ng isang karakter ko. Mga ganyan, lagi. Kasi po ang isa sa mga common na characters na binibigay sa akin is ako yung villain. Ako
Yeah,
yung bad
lagi.
guy. Yes.
Yeah.
And then, right after that, nakilala ko po si Derek Chris. Derek Chris introduced me to Blade Auto Center
Yeah,
Philippines.
okay.
That gave the way to a movie, The Last 12 Days.
Yeah, okay.
And then, fast forward to now, meron din po akong NDM Plus, and then yung mga commercials and brand ambassadorships.
Okay. Yun nga, kasi probably because of your strong face, the personality, lagi ka nagiging villain no?
Opo.
Na laging masama po siya. Bihirang-bihira po yung naaapi. I remember one of our content, anak ko po siya. Ililigaw niya ako kasi ayaw na niya akong nanay kasi pabigat daw ako sa buhay niya. 'Di ba? Tapos, syempre, at the end of the story, minahal ko pa din siya. Siya naman yung naapi.
Yes.
Parang ganun. Yan. So, yun na. So, natuwa ka na sa acting, tapos nag-open door sa madami.
Yes, yes.
So, pag-usapan natin yung, so, sa T-Bon, so marami kang content. And then, sabi mo nga, I've watched you dun sa isang series sa YouTube ng Blade.
Yes.
So, which is, I told you na napanood ko yung love story nung part 1 na yun, nung pandemic yun
Yes.
And then, nung part 2, lumabas ka doon. Ano ka doon?
I am the doctor.
Yeah, okay.
Without sharing anything, nung nakilala nila ako, doctor, baka may ailment. And then parang sa akin yung twist.
Oo,
nung love story na yon.
Yes.
That story, I think it's still available in YouTube.
Yes, of course.
So,
panoorin nyo,
yes,
maganda.
panoorin nyo po ito.
Pero bago nyo mapanood yung part 2, panoorin nyo muna yung part 1.
Yes.
Kasi nakakakilig yung part 1.
Yes.
O diba, itong tandang to, nakinilig ang nanay nyo. So, ayun, napanood ko na yung part 1, and then yung part 2 natapos ko naman. Maganda siya, maganda yung pagiging yung sequel nung story. So, marami nag-open doors, and then you had a movie.
Yes po.
So, paano naman yung sa movie yun?
Sa movie, ano rin siya eh. Parang right place at the right time lang talaga, Mami. Ang story ako when it comes to acting is, there's someone that said, hey, perhaps you can do this. And then, okay, subukan lang natin, walang mawawala. Puro ganun lang siya, Mami. Okay, hindi ako yung, hindi ko alam kung this might sound na medyo mayabang, but I was just the guy na, Dave, patingin nga ng bicep, pwede na yan kahit walang abs, halika rito. Para pong ganun kasi siya eh. Tapos yung sa ano naman po, yung sa movie, something that we shot internationally. Sabi nung director, kaya mo ba tong gawin? Sige nga, patingin. Aba, okay sige, tuloy natin. Gawin natin siya with camera. Para puro ganun lang po.
Pero you don't have any like formal acting workshop?
Yes.
So it all comes natural?
Yes. Kaya nga po, pag sinasabi ng mga kasabayan ko, let's say sa audition, or pag may mga interview sila, lagi lang sinasabi, I want to be a versatile actor. Okay? Ako po, ang mentality ko is, pwede po bang mag-develop muna ako ng one character muna? Yung aking, parang bread and butter ko. Kasi I didn't have any training eh.
Pero you're willing naman.
Yes,
You're willing to have an acting
Yes.
workshop.
I think it's one of the things that bonded us.
Yeah.
Kasi, kung hindi nyo po ulit may tatanong, kapag po kasi break ng mga, ng mga production, or nag-aayos ng set, si Mami tinatanong kayo, Mami, okay lang ba yung ginawa ko? Hindi ba siya masyadong corny? Kasi puro ganun. And then I think I've developed that over the years na kahit yung mga directors, pati yung mga production team, I would value their criticism na for someone that didn't really have that kind of a training,
Yeah.
'di ba? Parang I would soak knowledge wherever I can.
Yeah, oo,
Ganun
tama
na lang.
naman. Para lagi nga nila sinasabi, it's not kawalan mo if you always ask.
Yes.
Mas masarap magtanong kesa mag-pretend that you know. 'Di ba? So, yun na. Ito naman yung pagiging brand ambassador mo. Kasi meron ako nakita yung Dell.
Okay po.
Pwede naman yung Dell na yan. Paano naman nag-audition ka ba? O, kasi ang hirap po makapasok sa isang digital commercial. Maniwala po kayo. Sa isang commercial or digital commercial or commercial man siya or magiging brand ambassador ka, mahirap eh. Maraming pagdadaanan.
True, true.
Paano mo nakuha yung Dell na yan?
I did it the old-fashioned way, Mommy. Yung sinasabi niyong mahirap.
Oo.
Ginawa ko siya. As in talagang nag-audition ako. Kung nakikita niyo po ngayon sa screen, I have both Dell and the TikTok shop.
Oh, yun, ano
Yeah.
yung, yun, sa TikTok
Yeah.
shop yung isa.
Opo.
Oh, sige, doon tayo sa Dell.
Okay, yung sa Dell, I did it the hard way. Yung
Oh.
tipong, Dave, may audition. Let's do this.
Mm-mm.
Tapos tatawagan ka nung caster, Dave, may nire-request si client. Can you read these lines?
Yeah.
O can you perform these? Mind you po, yung setup ko, hindi pa ganun kaganda. Unlike the ones that we have here in the
Yeah.
studio. And then the caster believed in me. I came on set on time, and then the rest is history.
Oo, ganun
Ayan po.
naman eh. Kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo.
Yes.
Okay.
Same din po dun sa TikTok shop. Parang ang natutunan ko po kasi, or isa sa mga learnings ko with T-Bon is, if you're professional, coming in and coming out,
Yeah.
opportunities would come.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. Okay. So, yun na. So, doon na nag-start. Doon na nag-open doors yung industriyang to para sa'yo.
Yes po.
Yang wrestling mo naman. Ito yung pag-uusapan
yeah.
nating mahabang-mahaba.
Yes,
Itong
yes.
wrestling na yan.
Yes po.
Yung wrestling mo, kailan nag-start yan? Yung love mo sa wrestling?
Okay. Yung love-hate ko sa wrestling, it started 2018.
Okay.
Okay. That's also the place where Jigo gave me that that talk na wala namang mawawala.
Okay.
Right? A lot of people aspire to become wrestlers kasi ang nasa isip nila is, malaki yung pera dyan. Malaki yung network dyan. Ano yan? Yung makakapagbukas siya ng maraming pinto para sa'yo. Right? Pero ang lagi kong sinasabi is, I came into wrestling because my lungs are weak.
Oh,
Yes.
talaga.
When I was starting, marami kaming pinagpilian na, hey, you wanna do boxing, you wanna do Muay Thai, you wanna do BJJ. It just so happens na nagkaroon ng posting ang pro wrestling before. This is gonna be a free tryout. Chipipay ako eh. Libre. So pagpunta ko doon, pinag-push up kami, pinatakbo kami. Sabi ko, what we're doing has nothing to do with wrestling. It's all about cardio. Why? And then the coaches pinaliwanag na sa amin. In order for you to sustain carrying people, you need to develop this, and this. And then it's always going to be basics, longevity ang batayan natin. Yon. So, I'm fortunate na kung ano yung mga in-inspire ng karamihan na pagkaloob sa akin.
Okay.
Let's say, wrestling, pero naging way ko to be an actor, to be a brand ambassador. A lot of my colleagues, it gave them or it paved the way for them to go abroad and then compete and then highlight the Filipino pro wrestling talent. Yung gigil at romansa ng Pinoy na dala sa ibang bansa.
Okay.
Diba?
Bago ko sundutin yung tanong ko dyan sa wrestling, may tinatanong po ang aming Charles Dion, if kilala niyo po ba si Jomar the Wrestler?
Yes. Kilala ko siya. Maganda yung motor niya. Period. Yun lang pag-usapan natin.
Pero maganda din ang motor po nito. Of course, I wanna say hi to my daughter, Bebe ko. Hello, Be. Hello, Be. O, yan. So, pumasok ka ng wrestling is because of your lungs. For you to be healthy at maging strong. Gaano kahirap yung training?
Let's just say, I came into the industry, 29 na ako.
Oh.
Some of the things hurt. Like, my body's not as agile as it was when I was in my early 20s.
Of course.
But over time, I gained to know, I developed this way of how I can rest
Yeah.
how I can recover faster.
Okay.
Parang yun na lang yung pinagbatayan ko eh. And then after all of the physical stuff, ang susunod na is the mental aspect of it. All right? How can you get the people or the crowd to believe in you?
Yeah,
Right? Mami, lagi mong sinasabi sa akin na you're exposed to theater. Isipin nyo na lang po na what we do in the ring as pro wrestlers is basically theater but with our bodies. Yeah.
Okay.
It's ang isa sa mga pinakamagagandang description ng what we do is we are stunt personnel that we only do everything one take, and then if something goes wrong, we need to protect our partner. At the same time have that mentality na the story will continue, what was written will still happen kahit na may mga may mga ad-libs tayo.
Okay.
Yan.
So, para sinabi mo nga na like ako nasa theater, ikaw sa wrestling. So, totoo pala na ano siya, scripted?
Yes, it's
Okay.
Mami, ano po siya? It's predetermined.
Predetermined.
Because-
It's not scripted.
Yes.
Iba kasi yung scripted sa predetermined.
Yes po.
Okay,
Kasi
so
po,
how is it?
The reason being, Mami, is the goal is different. Our
Okay.
goal is entertainment. Let's say, tayong dalawa, meron tayong feud. Sa feud natin, mananalo ako kasi manduduga ako. Okay? The fan in front would say, ayokong manalo yun, bad guy yun eh. Okay? Panonoorin ko yung next show in the hopes na mananalo si Mami. Magkaroon ng next show, mananalo na dapat si Mami. Nanduga ako ulit. Sabi nung fan, kaya ni Mami, nakita ko ngayon eh. Sa second show, mananalo na si Mami. Third show, ibinigay na nanalo si Mami. Sa
Okay.
story itself. Right?
Okay.
You have one fan that had 3 shows. That was part of 3 shows. Isa po kasi sa mga bagay na lagi kong pinapaalala rin sa mga kasama ko is there's a difference between the goal of a wrestling show and who wins at a wrestling show.
Okay.
It's always gonna be simple. The goal of a wrestling show is to sell tickets. Diba? Same as with theater.
Yeah, of course, of course.
When you sell tickets, the nights wherein magpapalabas baka humaba.
Yeah.
Diba? Who wins at a wrestling show? It's always gonna be the fans.
Yeah.
Diba? You have compelling storylines. You have people that are devoted into the craft.
Yeah.
Nakikita na namin eh. Before, it was very hard to, let's say, have shows sold out. Now, I think nag-start pa kami last year, tuloy-tuloy na nasosold out yung show.
Okay.
And then also, you have international talents coming in and then saying, hey, Filipinos, they got it. This is an untapped resource. Pondohan natin ang Pilipinas.
Okay, yun nga, sabi mo nga, this is predetermined. And then you have, so, nagpa-practice kayo?
Yes. Yes po.
Okay. So, during the show, yung sakit ng katawan, yung nangyayari sa inyo, totoo?
Yes. That's something that we can't fake, Mami. Parang we can train. That's why we train. That's why we strengthen ourselves.
Okay.
That's why we tell our partner, hey, you will carry me eh.
Yeah.
I can't have you na hindi mo ko mabubuhat eh. Okay?
Okay.
I trust that we would do this in several shows. Kasi
Okay.
ang pinaka-iniiwasan po namin is this, Mami. Let's say yung program na sinabi ko sa inyo. Mananalo ako sa first show. Sa second show, mananalo pa rin ako. Pero, nasaktan ko kayo, na-injure ko kayo. Paano na yung kagustuhan ng manonood na, uy, mananalo na dapat si Mami. Kaso, di ba?
Yeah.
Mapuputol yon. And then the production team would say, uy, paano to ngayon? Anong gagawin natin?
Yeah.
Di ba? That's where the magic of the management comes in. Yung parang they're still able to produce storylines, they're still able to have that kahit na may nangyari, meron tayong plan A, plan B.
Oo nga eh. Kasi 'di ba, hindi mo maiiwasan in your live show 'yun eh. Live show 'yun eh. na yung plano nyo na dapat ganito mangyari, may masasaktan at masasaktan.
Yes.
Just like you, nag-shoot po siya, masakit yung buong katawan niya. So, ang gagawin ko, lalo ko siyang sasaktan. Sabi niya, wag po. So, gano'n, di ba? So, kung gano'n siya kahirap, kamusta ang industriya ng wrestling sa Pilipinas? Malaki na ba siya? Malaki na ba yung sakop niya? O it's just starting na lumaki? Not like sa States. Sa States, malaki.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for that question, Mami.
Mm-mm.
What I can honestly say is, para kaming baby na tumatakbo na. A couple of
Okay.
years back, gapang lang.
Okay.
Tapos lakad. Ngayon,
Okay.
medyo tumatakbo na kami.
Oo.
Paano ko nasabi yun? For the since 2 years ago,
Mm.
ang dami na ng mga international talents coming in.
Okay.
And then also, before, pag naglalabas kayo ng merchandise ninyo as a professional wrestler, ang mga iniisip ng iba, nagbebenta pa to ng t-shirt, nagbebenta pa na ng cards, wala namang patutunguhan. Ngayon, we have what? Nutcase. You have Wrestling Pastel that are really building up our merchandise scheme.
Okay.
Diba? And then, nabebenta siya. May mga times yung mga kaibigan ko nga, sinasabihan ako, pre, wala na ako nung size ng shirt mo, baka pwedeng, hindi pwede yun. Di ba? Ano lang, Mami, true, if we are to compare it from, let's say, the States, Mexico, or even Japan,
Yeah.
those are very big wrestling industries already. Ano tayo? Bagito pa tayo.
Baby pa.
Baby
Baby
pa.
pa.
But,
Okay.
Wala the resilience of Pinoy, the talent that we
Yeah.
have.
Okay.
Iba lalo na yung saya na makikita mo yung mga kasama mo sa wrestling na nakakapag-compete na sila internationally. Tapos ako din po, I was fortunate enough na may mga internationals na pumunta rito and I was able to face them.
Okay. Marami pa akong tanong sa'yo, pero basahin muna natin itong comment kasi may nakita ako eh.
Sige po.
So, Twinkle is here. Hi, Twink. Ang fresh naman ng mommy namin. Minsan lang yan, Twink. Maraming salamat. Miss you. Of course, si Mark Anthony. Magandang gabi. Idol ko po yan, si Mommy Ray and si Boss Dave. Ay, thank you, Mark. Thank you. Ayan. O, baka nagsushoot or nagtao sa barangay si Mark. Sigurado. Yeah. So, eto na. What if there's a person na gusto matuto mag-wrestling o gusto pumasok sa industriya niya? Paano yun? Kailangan niya mag-audition o kailangan bang pumasa siya sa audition o magte-training muna siya bago siya mag-audition sa inyo? Paano yun?
Tryouts, Mami.
Tryouts.
Yes.
Okay.
I think we're gonna have one next year.
Okay.
You go to tryouts, we check your physical capacity.
Okay.
And then also we do a mental assessment as well kung kaya mo ba siya. Kasi we're in previous in previous tryouts, yung coaches, they come in and then say, hey, this is the things that we can do, this is the things that you can expect.
Okay.
Kasi ang iniiwasan po kasi namin is yung mentality nila na magiging wrestler ako kasi A, B, C, D, E. Ang gagawin namin is, kung papasukin mo ang industriya na ito yung makukuha mo. Okay? May mga ilan na sinasabi nila, it's not worth it pala. Tama na lang. Mapapagastos lang ako, masasaktan lang ako.
Okay.
Huwag na lang. Diba? We would rather have the herd thinned out. Yung talagang sabihin namin sa'yo as it is, kung ano siya. And then if you would want to continue, let's go. Let's train. Diba? Other than giving you false promises.
Yeah. Kasi akala nila, once you're here in this industry, you're earning a big money. Kahit sa ang industriya po, you have to start at the bottom.
Yes.
Kahit po kami, we're not earning as much as you think. Ganun. Okay, sabi nga ni Mark, wala siya sa barangay, nasa shoot po sila ng TV. Hi, dyan sa mga kasama mo sa TV Next. Hello po kayo, enjoy the shoot. And of course, yung mga director namin dyan, like Derek Rigor. I miss you, Derek Rigor.
Hi, Derek.
Ganon. So, kailangan mo mag-try out. And then, once, kunyari, nakapasa na. So, magti-training. Gano'ng kahirap yung pagdadaanan para makapasa to be one professional wrestler like you?
Alright. Sa amin po kasi before, I was blessed na naging coach ko before si Chili Willy.
Okay.
Someone that came from, or an alumnus of
Mm.
ECW. Sa amin, binigyan niya kami ng trial show. Lahat
Mm.
kami from that previous promotion.
Okay.
Okay, mag-ano tayo? Magma-mock show tayo.
Okay.
If you're able to pass that mock show, we can go on. Okay. Ano naman po, fortunate enough naman na nakapasa ako. And then, absorb kami ng World Underground Wrestling Philippines.
Mm-mm.
Same banana sa underground. Ito ang in-expect namin from you. Ito ang kaya namin ibigay. Swak ba? Is it in line with your goals? Kung hindi, I think we can just shake hands and walk away.
Okay.
At the time, it was talagang hand in glove,
Mm.
right? And then yung mga newbies namin ngayon, we have the same mentality. We will have a show. Most of the people there are the newcomers sa Fight Night 2. So they come in, it would be an interesting night kasi doon nila may premiere yung kanilang
Yun nga, parang,
natutunan
premiere night nila
Oo.
yun di ba? Parang pilot,
Yes.
pilot episode ng wrestling career nila
Yes.
yun.
And then parang ito na yung sinasabi nila na make or break. Alright?
Okay.
Kaya ko siya physically, pero tulad po sa teatro, ma'am.
Mm.
Ilalagay ko lang sa konteksto na ng
Okay.
teatro. Kaya ko to physically, kabisado ko na yung mga lines ko, alam ko na yung mga hand gestures na gagawin ko. Pag labas niyo sa teatro, pag tinamaan na kayo ng ilaw at narinig niyo na yung mga boses ng tao na, ano ba yan, hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo, you might freeze.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba? Same goes with wrestling. Diba? Lagi nilang sinasabi, just be yourself. Right? A lot of people now...
Enjoy it.
Yes. A lot of... lagi namin sinasabi, have fun, just be yourself.
Okay.
A lot of people are like, I'm scared because when they know who I am, they might think that I suck. Diba? Lagi lang nasa isip yung double-edged sword niya.
Yeah.
But the best advice that I can give you, pag tama nung liwanag, pag tugtog nung entrance music mo, or pag adyan na yung mga tao, positive man ang sasabihin sa'yo o hindi, do what
Tuloy mo
yes,
lang.
do what you need to do.
Okay, itong Pinoy Wrestling ba natin is the same company or the same lang din yung sa States?
No.
It's different.
Yes, it's different. I'm fortunate to be part of 3 wrestling promotions.
Yeah, okay.
Puso Wrestling, Dexcon, and then also World Underground Wrestling.
So iba-ibang company pala?
Yes.
Hindi lang, akala ko kasi isang industriya lang yung wrestling.
Hindi.
So madami din sa production?
Yes, maraming production.
Okay. So tong ilalabas mo, at least I've learned, okay, nalito na ako. Akala ko kasi one company lang. Hindi pala, so maraming production.
Yes.
So doon, saan mo nakakasama si Chad? Anong production?
Nakasama ko po si Razael or si Chad sa World Underground Wrestling.
Okay.
Yes. Chad,
Okay.
enjoy.
Oo, di ba?
Hopefully nanonood ka.
Yeah. So yung laban mo, yung game nyo on Sunday, that will be on what production?
That would be for World Underground Wrestling Philippines.
Okay.
Right? And siguro po I think I can clarify something.
Yeah, sige. Kasi,
Tatlo man yung kumpanya,
Yeah.
Puso, Dexcon, tsaka Underground.
Mm-mm.
All of them are, all of the shows rather happen dun sa tinagurian naming Mecca of Pinoy Wrestling.
Okay.
Brawl Pit Bulusan.
So one place lang?
Yes,
Okay.
one place, 3 different promotions,
Okay.
sharing the stage, if you will, sharing one ring.
Saan yan? Yung bulusan na
Sa
yan?
may Quezon City, Laloma area.
Okay. Di ba halatang lakwat siya? Hindi ko alam kung saan yung bulusan na yan.
Yeah.
Okay. So pag ganyan ba, as in malaki na yung audience, compare before,
Yes, compared before, masasabi ko sa inyo na yung area po kasi na yon, ang lagi kasing sinasabi ng mga internationals is, grabe ang init dito. Ang init nung venue. Kasi every time kasi po na naririnig ko na ang init sa Bulusan, I'm happy. Kasi ibig sabihin, full packed kami. Sold out yung show.
Not because there's no AC or anything.
Yeah,
So the reason why it's hot is because full house.
Yes, full house. And
Okay.
isa pong maganda example nun was when Zack Sabre Jr., an international champion, came here and then faced one of our local wrestlers, si JDL. Diba? Yung dagundong nung lugar na yon, yung excitement, yung electricity nung gabing yon. Tapos kaming the day after, yung may barangay na lalapit na, uy, ano ba nangyari? Bakit ang ingay dito? Mga parang mapapaisip ka na, wow, dati, siguro masaya na kami ng mga mga 20 tao dumating. Ngayon, grabe, ang dami na. And then I think, and hopefully, by next year, meron na kaming iba pang venue or meron kaming mobile ring na pwede kaming dumayo, kumbaga.
Okay. Kasi iba yung ring nyo sa iba. Kasi
Yes.
dapat may safety yung ring nyo.
Yes, true.
Kung makikita nyo. Okay. So, I'll be honest alam nyo po, nung nabubuntis ako, pinaglihi ko yung anak ko sa wrestling. Yeah! Sila Hulk Hogan pa yung pinapanood ko noon. Hindi ako matutulog hanggang hindi ako nakakapanood ng wrestling. And then after ko manganak, ayoko na.
Okay lang.
Ayoko na naman. Alam mo, iba kasi hormones and energy, di ba? So, kaya natuwa ako na meron dito sa Philippines na ganito. Na it's having their own venue na, and then meron na ring fans and everything, di ba? Sabi mo nga, every labas nyo, every wrestling day nyo, there's mercs.
Yes.
Ikaw nakita kita. So, halos lahat ba ng wrestler ngayon, you have your own mercs?
I think they're in the process of getting their own
So,
merch.
ikaw lang ang meron.
Ay, hindi po.
Kala ko ikaw lang meron
Meron po akong merch. Yung mga top guys namin, meron din. Pero to answer your question, kasi pag lahat, I think they're parang dinedevelop nila yung sarili nilang shirts nila, yung mga cards nila.
Oh, okay.
Diba?
Ayan. So, yun. So, ngayon, sa dami nang nangyayari sa mundo mo, dami na diba? Kahit ba minsan, maraming struggle and everything. Nasaan ka na sa parte ng buhay mo ngayon, Nak?
Naging seryoso yung tanong natin.
Of course.
Well, for one thing, Mami, I'm thankful.
Yeah.
Yan lang. I'm in that part of my life that I'm thankful, and I'm relearning certain things, right? May way kasi si God na natutunan mo to dati, pero parang nakakalimutan mo, ipapaalala ko lang. Ganon yung nangyari sa akin. Parang there are people that came into my life, and then instead of asking myself, ano bang meron sa akin? Bakit sila kailangang umalis? Ang dapat palang tinatanong ko is, dapat pala maging thankful ako. Yung mga tipong dumating sila, natapos yung season nila sa buhay mo because they need to leave you a lesson. May kailangan kang matutunan. Bakit nila ginawa yun? Meron akong, okay lang ba mag-share?
Yeah, of course,
there was this quote sa internet na galit na galit galit na galit si ate.
Yeah.
Niloko mo ko, ninakawan mo ko. Ganun. Ang sabi lang nung parang Hindu teacher or Hindu monk, sabi niya is, perhaps this person needs to fulfill that part of you. Yung tipong kailangan niya, para maging kumpleto siya, kailangan niyang ikaw magalit sa kanya. Parang yun yung parang, yung kanyang proof sa buhay mo na, I think may mga times na kailangan ayusin mo tong diskarte mo na to or yung ugali mo na to. Ano pa ba, Mami? Anger. Anger is honest. Lagi nilang sinasabi sa amin before, anger is a useless emotion. But anger is one of the most honest emotions that you have. It will tell you when you're hurt. It will tell you when you're knocked down. It will tell you kung you're being taken advantage of. It's just a matter of you saying na, hey, how do I handle you? Diba? Nandun ako sa parte ng buhay na yun. And of course, doon sa lahat ng mga nangyayari, wrestling man yan, acting man yan, or career, wala akong pwedeng ihamon kung hindi keep him coming.
Keep it coming.
Keep him coming. Parang, wag po sana kayong wag po kayong mapagod i-challenge yung mga tulad ko.
Yeah.
Kasi ang sarap matuto eh.
Okay.
'Di ba? Ang sarap na wag kang maging sponge ka, wag kang maging punching bag.
Okay.
Absorb mo lang yung kailangan mo. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na puto sinasaktan mo na yung sarili mo, ganun po kasi talaga yung yung mga teachings na or mga learnings ko rather from all of the production team, even wrestling.
So, parang sinabi mo, sa dami-dami ng napagdaanan mo sa buhay mo, hindi ka nag-regret. Walang regret.
Wala eh. Kasi
wala kang sasabihin sa buhay mo na sana hindi nangyari to.
Hindi. Mami, maging thankful tayo kung positive man yan o negative.
Mm.
Kasi talagang ano eh, laging may lesson.
Okay.
Laging merong point ng buhay natin na, ano eh, sunod-sunod yung talo ko ah.
Mm.
Wala man lang akong isang panalo ah. Diba? Pero pas matatanong, bigla mo nalang gagawin. Kasi siya, lagi siyang nananalo. Kita mo, ang dami niyang pera, ang dami niyang projects.
Mm.
Ako lagi akong talo. Tapos biglang sinabi ni Lord, o sige, papakita ko sa'yo. Flinip niya. Ikaw naman yung laging nananalo, yung dating natatalo.
Yeah.
Tapos, parang ang mentality mo ngayon, ay, nanggaling na ako doon, hindi pala ganun dapat. Diba? Maging thankful tayo whether it be winning or losing.
Yeah, parang you don't compare yourself to others. Kung
Yes.
anong meron sila ngayon, kung ano yung status ng buhay nila.
True.
Just enjoy what have you now
Yes.
and then strive pa rin kung ano yung kaya mong gawin.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Tama po.
O yan, sa dami nga ng mga sinabi mo, anong naging mantra mo sa buhay mo or naging motto mo sa buhay mo?
The only limit to what you can do are your doubts.
Bakit yan?
I had that since
Bakit
I had that mantra since I was in college.
Mm.
Kasi ang naging problema ko kasi before mommy was money. Financially, I was a working student.
Naman.
Yes. Ang nasa isip ko noon, nagtatrabaho na ako eh. Wag na natin lokohin sarili natin. Nagtatrabaho tayo para nag-aaral tayo para magkatrabaho, para kumita. Na-skip ko na yung dalawa eh. Medyo maganda na yung kita ko eh. Diba? Pero bakit ko pinagpipilitan yung sarili ko sa pag-aaral ko? Diba? Pinapagod ko lang yung sarili ko. Ang trabaho ko noon, 2:00 ng madaling araw hanggang 11. Ang first class ko, mami, is 10:30. Paano ko hahatiin yung sarili ko gano'n?
Doon sa 30 minutes
doon
mo
sa
pa.
30 minutes
30
na yun,
minutes
diba?
mo pa. Oh.
The only limit to what you can do are your doubts. If you feed yourself with doubt, lagi na lang, hindi mo kaya yan. Walang sense yung ginagawa mo. Pinapagod mo lang yung sarili mo. And then, marirealize mo, kahit na puro negative yung feed mo sa sarili mo, you learn na, nope, this is important.
Yes, exactly.
This is a goal that I need to pursue in my life. And pagdating sa school ko, awa ng Diyos, nakatapos naman ako. Sa wrestling, masasabi ko to, there are a lot of times when I just wanted to say, tama na to. My body cannot do it anymore. Matanda na ako, masakit na matulog ng nakatagilid. Right? Pero, pati si Sir Pito natawa. Kasi alam niya eh. 'Di ba? It's a physically taxing kind of entertainment.
Yes.
Right? But then you realize, may bata doon sa harap, tapos sasabihin niya sa'yo, David Ravena, tapos ubus lahat ng pagod mo. Bata na yun eh. Diba? Tapos isa pa po, yung, ito mami, may share ko lang to sa'yo. Beforehand, sabi ko, I'm a bad guy. I'm given leeway na magsabi ng mga masasamang salita. Mga maanghang, pwede ako magmura sa show. That's what I'm trying to say. There comes this guy, a father, hawak-hawak niya yung kamay ng anak niya. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo sir, naiintindihan ko yung ginagawa mo. Nagpapasalamat ako na kahit bad guy ka, hindi ka nagmura nung nanonood yung anak ko.
Yeah.
And then I realized, hanggang ngayon, I may slip sometimes. Yung talagang nakapagsabi pa rin ako ng mga bad words. Pero all in all, laging reminder ko yung tatay na yun.
Oh, that's nice.
Diba? Yung merong moments lagi sa buhay mo na when you have doubts why you're still doing something, biglang papaalala ko sa'yo, tama to.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Speaking of may paalala, I'm gonna share this. We have a shoot before. Magkasama kami nito ni Dave. Tapos there's a newcomer. And then we're gonna have, after shoot, parang gutom kaming dalawa. So we're gonna eat. Tapos kasama namin yung isang newcomer kasi first time namin siya nakasama. Doon yun yung sa content namin na siya yung panganay ko pong anak, tapos yun yung bunso kong anak. And then I remember, this is what I remember sinabi ni Dave. Kasi tinirit niya yung bata. Tinirit niya kami. Tapos sabi niya, tapos kasi nung una ayaw pa nung bata na sumama. Sabi niya, sige, nasama ka namin, treat namin. At ang natandang-tanda ko, sabi ni Dave, treat namin to sa'yo. Pero once ikaw naman ang umangat-angat at may nakasama kang newcomer, kung ano yung ginawa namin sa'yo, gawin mo yun sa kanya. It's just like, this face, maniwala ko yun po sa akin, kahit ang tapang-tapang ng mukha nito, gusto niyong paiyakin ko to, mapapaiyak ko to.
Ganon.
Ganon.
Wag ganon.
Kasi sobrang bait po nitong taong to. 'Di ba? So, tsaka sobrang mamama to eh. Kaya mahal na mahal ko to kasi sobrang love niya yung mama niya. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ako dito sa batang. So, ikaw, yan, sa dami nung sabi mo, yan yung naging mantra mo in life and then yung mga pinagdaanan mo in life. If, ikaw ba nakaka-stay ka pa sa bahay niyo?
Yes. Yes. Isa po kasi sa mga bagay na laging sinasabi sa amin.
Oh.
If you want to learn wrestling, consume the media.
Oh.
Sanay po kasi talaga ako na kapag nag-aaral ako, visual ako eh. Hindi ko kaya yung binabasa lang sa libro tapos ma-apply ko na.
Oo, no.
Hindi ako ganun eh.
More of actual and visual ka.
Yes.
Okay.
So, lagi akong nasa bahay, lalo na kapag nag-aaral ako ng, let's say, mga moves, mga way, mga mannerisms.
Okay.
This doesn't just apply pala sa wrestling, kahit yung acting ko eh.
Okay.
Ngayon, mami, dumating na ako sa point na nanonood ako ng mga pelikula.
Yeah.
Pero hindi na ako story-centric.
Okay.
Ang pinanonood ko ngayon yung mga characters. Paano nila na-develop yung ganito?
Okay.
Yung both locally and internationally, yung paano sila mag-portray ng anger. Kapag ba anger, laging pasigaw.
No.
Lagi ba dapat kunot yung noo?
No.
'Di ba? Or meron bang uri ng silent anger na it's boiling, it's brewing, and then kapag pumutok, parang wala ka na.
Yeah, okay.
Maglalaho ka na.
The reason why I asked you kung nag-stay ka pa sa bahay nyo is, if I'm gonna ask you, isang party ka ng bahay nyo, anong party ka? At
Kusina.
Bakit?
Kusina, mami. Ang sarap kumain. And then also, mami, I think this is one of the blessings din ng pandemya.
Oo.
Nung nagkaroon kasi ng pandemya, yan na stuck ka na sa bahay.
Oo.
Mga natutunang skill ni David, magtimpla ng alak, magluto ng pasta, mag-roast ng chicken, andun na ako sa point, mami, dati na parang I'm gaining a lot na parang
Pataba. Lahat naman, everybody gain weight during pandemic.
parang hindi na nadadaan sa home workout ito,
yeah,
mami. Parang,
ganun.
yun. And then, kahit yung si mama, laging tinatanong sa akin, bakit ka naghahanap ng mga ganitong pots and pans, yung mga...
Exactly. Yeah.
Tapos, hindi, tuturuan kita magluto, ganyan din yung effect sa napapanood mo, kahit na wala tayo nito. Diba?
Okay.
Yun, tapos naging bonding moment namin yun ni mama nung pandemya.
So you love cooking, so kitchen ka.
Oo, natuto akong magluto because of pandemic.
Okay. Tapos, pero pag makikita nyo siya sa kalye, ganda ng motor nito. Ang ganda ng motor nito, maniwala kayo sa akin. Ano to motorcycle rider.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero aside from motorcycle, if isa kang vehicle, anong klaseng vehicle ka?
Maliban sa
Sa motor.
Sa motor.
Yeah, maliban sa motor. Kasi alam ko love na love mo yan eh.
Oo,
Wala.
pag alaga eh.
Oo. Ako hard.
Si Bebe, huwag mo sabihin ko. Okay. Pagdating sa ibang sasakyan. Anything that flies, mami. Anything that flies.
Okay.
Yung kasi, the freedom that you can just see the clouds, yung makita mo yung sunrise, diba? Tapos yung it's an escape, yes, but I think it's one of those, it's one of those beliefs na, yun nga yung kalupitan ng mga birds eh. Ang birds, pwede na lang take off, diba?
Oo.
Ganun na. Masarap din kasi, masarap.
So you love to travel?
I love to travel. I hate the price it takes to travel.
Ganon.
Yeah.
So, but if you're gonna be, anything that flies.
Anything
Okay.
that flies.
Ay, ang ganda ng kwentuhan namin. Sobra. But, before we end up this show, I just wanna ask you, if you're given a chance to give advice to the young people na having difficulty in kasi ang daming ngayon di ba? Itong mga bata ngayon, parang konting problema lang. They tend to end their lives. Ang daming depression and everything. And Can you give them an advice how to deal? Kasi ikaw ang daming pinagdaanan. Alam ko, ang dami-dami mong pinagdaanan, but still you're standing up. And also, advice to those young people who want to join wrestling.
Okay. Right. Advice to everyone: you cannot please everybody. Always remember that you cannot please everybody. You are a catch. You are awesome. You are amazing just the way you are. Right? There are times when you tell yourself, all right, I think I need to develop a new skill. There's nothing wrong with that. Same goes with wrestling,
Yeah.
right? You first need to walk before you can do jumps,
Okay.
before you can excite the crowd,
Yes.
before you can even say, hey, this is my merchandise. I think you can wear it.
Yeah.
There will always be people that would say, hey, David Ravena, you suck. You don't really know what to do. You don't fully understand the business.
Yeah.
To that, I say thank you.
Mm-mm.
Because for you to be able to tell me that I don't understand the business means that you've consumed the product.
Yeah.
You've watched Philippine wrestling, right? That in itself, we've already won.
Yeah.
Meron kaming naging manunood,
Mm-mm.
diba? You cannot please everybody. The sun will still come up the following day. Kung ano mang lesson mo, masama man yung naging experience o hindi, you really can't please everybody. Diba?
Exactly.
Ganun lang. Medyo heavy yung sinabi nyo kanina, Mami, that depression is rampant.
Yeah,
Diba?
exactly.
When I was in that state, ang pwede ko lang talagang masabi is, the world does not owe you explanation. The best thing that you can do is just pull yourself up and then dust yourself off, keep going.
Exactly.
Even if the world is telling you, you do not belong in this industry. You suck. You're too old for this. Stand up.
Yeah.
Be proud. Diba? Eto, Mami, sorry kung medyo,
Okay lang.
effort. Ngayon, in-interview niyo ako, okay? I could have simply said, masama yung nakain ko, hindi ako makakapunta. Right? I could simply say, bakit pa ako maliligo? Kakausapin lang naman ako ni nanay. Baka pwedeng online na lang. 'Di ba? I could have simply said to Peter there, the handsome man over there, I could have simply said, Peter, pwede mag-order ka muna ng pagkain. Ako yung guest na dapat inaalagaan. Diba? All of those are effort. It will send different kinds of messages.
Yes, exactly.
Versus, I came in on time. I said to Peter, thank you for sharing the pictures of pro wrestling.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy, for doing this with me and letting me have this platform na ipakita pa ang Philippine pro wrestling. Diba? It takes effort to build yourself or to build whatever you're trying to do. Right? Magsimula tayo sa effort, kailangan alam mo yung goal mo and then inline yung effort mo doon sa goal mo. We hope na yung goal natin, yung gusto natin ipakita sa tao or kahit sino man. Ito si David Ravena, he went in on time, he's very professional, and then by the end of the day, he's gonna shake your hand, and then he's gonna go into his merry way come Sunday, makipagbakbakan siya.
Yan.
Ganon.
Pag-uusapan pa. Yan, I'm gonna give you the time. I'm gonna give you the time to invite them on Sunday.
Sige.
And then, tell them your social media where they can follow you, anak.
Thank you.
I'm
thank
giving
you.
you the floor.
Right. Lahat ng mga Ravinatics, Ravination, may ganun na ako ngayon.
Meron ka na
May ganun na ako
ganon.
ngayon.
Galing.
Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa Philippine Wrestling. Last show ng World Underground Wrestling Fight Night 2 happening this Sunday. Okay? It's a pay what you can event rather.
Okay.
Right? Sunday magkita-kita tayo, Brawl Pit Bulusan. My socials, David Ravena, DAB for boy ID. Kasi laging David eh.
Hindi, David po. Tagalog na Tagalog.
Tagalog. David Ravena. Same goes with TikTok. PHL David Ravena. You can see all of my acting prowess, kung prowess man ang tawag doon, right? I hope to see you there. Last show for World Underground Wrestling this year. Thank you, Mami Ray, for giving me this platform. Thank you, everyone that supports Philippine wrestling, that supports the show, and more power pa po.
Okay, thank you. And of course, before anything else, I want to say, hi, Doc Ivan. At sabi niya, ano ba sabi niya? Ang galing ng usapang wrestling and acting. Magandang gabi. Maraming salamat for dropping by, Doc Ivan.
Thank you, Doc.
So, yan. So, maraming salamat before we end our show. Ang ganda ng usapan natin. Sobrang naging seryoso. Ang dami ko pong natutunan about wrestling. Marami ako naintindihan ulit tungkol sa atin. Kasi akala ko, ang alam lang natin yung sa international. But this, at least now, naintindihan na po natin ang Pinoy wrestling. Maraming salamat, anak.
Thank you, ma'am.
But before we end our show, I just want to say thank you again to our sponsor, Hezenea Aesthetic at Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong, and NS Amoranto. Their 2 branches. And of course, their phone number is 0929-275-1014 and 0906-208-8183. And they're always open at 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Tawag na lang po kayo dyan. Plus, of course, our new sponsors, Pamper City by OMG Aesthetic and Wellness Center, your luxury escape, the first and largest Pamper Center in the Philippines, located at 107 K1 Center by Prestige, Asiana City, Parañaque City, with the phone number of 0945-203-1883. Maniwala po kayo sa akin, this is the first and largest Pamper Center kasi ang laki po talaga. And of course, sabi ko nga kanina, make it a habit. Every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Mondays po. Every Wednesday naman, Up Top Down Low podcast namin with Charles Dion and Caleb Alvarez. And every Friday naman, Coffee Chat with Daven. All make it a habit. 7 p.m. po. And you can watch it, of course, here at Ignos Novus Artist Management, Facebook and Instagram. Pareho po kami. Like, follow, and subscribe. And also, we have our TikTok at ignosnovus.official. And of course, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Also, our mother channel, First Son Production, with the same Facebook and Instagram. And etong interview ko po kay David, mapapanood niyo po siya agad-agad sa aming YouTube channel, First Son Creatives. Ayan po. And of course, for me naman po, ayan, my Facebook page, my Facebook po is Rachel Pulion. My Facebook page, Twitter, and X, and TikTok pala po. Hindi pala Twitter. X and TikTok, Mommy Ray 3, and my IG account is mommy_Ray43. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. And on December 14, Laguna, San Pablo, na magkita-kita po tayo dyan for our theater show. And anak, maraming salamat. Of course, si David po ay pumunta ng aking fashion show. Maraming salamat. It means a lot to me na kahit na late, pero nakita pa rin niya ako nakadamit ng musa ko. Maraming salamat. And of course, thank you very much for sharing a little bit of yourself to us. And also with me na nakilala ko ang wrestling. Nakilala kita kung paano ka nagsimula sa industriyang ito.
Thank you, ma'am.
I wish you all the best. Good luck and have a merriest Christmas. Maraming salamat. At sa inyo pong lahat, mag-ingat po dahil our weather is so unpredictable. Maraming salamat for joining me again in another Chikahan with Mommy Ray. At lagi ko pong sinasabi, everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye mga anak. See you all on next Monday. Bye!
Bye.
face. From head to toe, even dental, we've got it all. Elegance and confidence, feeling tall. Hair services that bring out your light. Pamper City makes you feel just right. Pamper City by OMG, your luxury escape. Where beauty, wellness, and self-love take shape. The first and largest in Ashana City, located at K1 Prestige. It's so lovely, shine. Pamper yourself, feels divine.
Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman. Mga katanungan na dapat mong matuklasan. Nandito si Mami Ray, makisaya